Hello guys, welcome back. Good afternoon. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. In today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, March the 12th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. It's now time for the tectonic. Yes, by the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And the news of today, well, I've told you earlier, the Oscar for a Dutch cameraman. Yes, the first Oscar for a Dutch cameraman. Yes, this will be number 8176. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 16. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one is 16, but it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. The first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there, here, and here. So the single box is always a 1. Alright, here 1, there 1, here also a 1, and there 1. Alright, next question. Oh, no. We have another one. Well, this puzzle has a lot of single boxes. Okay. Next question. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we have here a dual box. I do not know. I do not know in which place the 1 and the 2. So let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question. Triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here? No triple boxes in this puzzle. I see here a quadro box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4. 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, 1 quadro box. Then, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Where's the shape now? Here. Well, let me start with this shape then. Alright. Where you see this kind of shape? Remember. That this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. We have only one shape of this kind of shape, yes. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Yeah, let me draw the T shape here. Where you see the T shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. The T shape, upside down. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Yeah. Well. This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Here, another one. Upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. Well, This box is the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Alright. Then these are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then, let me see. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for... Oh, we already have a 4 here. So it can be a 4. Alright. Then, I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1. Can be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Should be there. Then, let me see. Well. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. This box can be 2. This box can be 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. This box is connected with that box. So we so 2 and the 5. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 to 5. 2 to 5, okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. We have a double 5 there. Alright, this is definitely a 3. Is connected with that box, should be a 3. Is also connected with this box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Then. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. 2 and the 3 is connected with that box. So 2 and the 3. These two boxes can be 4. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area. 1 was 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left of 2 in this area should be here. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1. Oh no, we already have a 4 here. 2 and 3. We have a 2 now. So this box can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. So here 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. We have a pair here. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5. And that box should be a 2. Alright. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. And 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. Alright. These 2 boxes. Wait. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 3 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 3 goes there. Alright, this box can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box should be also a 3. So 1 box left in this area for number 1. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. Should be a 0 stars puzzle. So I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. In additional. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Tuesday.